Alright, guys, welcome back to PNG YouTube TokTok. Okay, this is the new product that we have bought. It is called wireless microphone. I'm gonna talk about this. This is from one of our local SME, and thank you, brother, for this mic. This is the wireless microphone. Let me check it out first. Oh, you black escalate the escalate key. Let's see some wireless microphone. So it's plug and play. 20 meters of accessible reception. Oh, this is nice. Precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible. Okay. This is for live show, interview, and vlog shots. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. Key. Okay, so think this is nice, bro. Why you reminding me? Don't say that, brother. Okay, this is switch it off. You're talking to member for Rio, my brother. Okay. And this is okay. Okay.